The Lord, happy 77th birthday, Nanay Dolor.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what a world is I've been dreaming of, and now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions. I know what to do from what is what I guess more than I ever hoped for, and I love what I ever hoped for, 'cause thanks to nobody, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you.
Pwedeng pandayo.
Pwedeng pang-spin. Coming from the heart.
Ha?
Coming from the heart. Mula sa puso yung kanta.
Ano?
Mula sa puso yung kanta.
To nobody, no time, no space, no heartache, no more heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you, thanks to you for teaching me how to live, putting things in perspective, showing me how to give and how to take. No mistake, we put them together. And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I'm making with the love I feel inside. Thanks to you. Thanks to you.
Yeah!